guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jayla right here, back with another video. And today I'm going to just review two squishies that my grandpa got for me. He got them at Kohl's, so I'm going to show you what they are. So let's go. By the way, just a quick reminder, I'm just going to say, you're probably wondering, because early in my videos I used to say I didn't have a pause button. I really don't. I'm filming on my grandpa's phone, and I log in from there. So yeah, just a quick disclaimer. Okay, so they're both from the sweet shop, and here's the first one. And yes, they're soft and slow. I have a couple soft and slow ones at my house, and they're not soft at all. They're so hard. These, however, I touch them, and they're very slow rising, and I love to touch them in the packaging. It's a brownie, I think. Okay, so now let's get on to the other one. Next one is also from the sweet shop. It's lemon ice cream sandwich. So here's the little lemon on top with the swirl with whipped cream. It's just very textured. I love them. You can even see the dots there. Cookies, and then here in the middle is lemon ice cream. Speaking of ice cream, I just got new ice cream. Let's see how slow rising this is. Okay, so now let's open the packaging. Okay, sorry about the camera. It kind of was falling. I placed it back up though. So, let's start with this one. This one, I don't think I'm gonna need much strength, because I think someone opened it and then they caught them and then they taped it up. So let's see. Okay, so, oh man. Got it. That wasn't so hard, was it? First of all, it's so soft. Oh, it's so slow rising. I love it. Okay, so that's the first one. Let's open the second one. Sorry, my eyes are all over the place. My birdie's here to join me. She just flies all over the room. She gets her exercise. Okay, parent supervision. My grandpa's right here. So let's open this. That was easy because there's a little hole here. Shut up! Sorry, but she's interrupting my video. This is so cute. It's also very soft and fluid. Can you see that texturing? That's just so amazing. And the sides. It's brownie too. It's very textured. I will say the softest one is the brownie. Why am I poking? It's not slime, J-Lo. That didn't work. But I love them both. On a scale of 1 to 10 for the brownie, I will give it an 8. An 8 because there's already defects on it. It's very soft and very squishy. So that's good. And I love the decoration on that. It's very detailed. This, I will have to give it a 6, maybe a 5, because it's really hard. But I love the texturing, and I just love the little topping. Maybe even a 3, I don't know, but I definitely like this one better. Which one's your favorite? Comment down below. And that bird. Anyways, so thank you. She just flew back to her cage. I was like, Sorry. Okay, so I like them. I think I might keep them in the package though, just because I want them to be in the package. But which one's your favorite? And if you like, subscribe, and comment to be hashtag the JM fam. It's one of the best families here. Just saying. And love you, JM fans. Bye.